Welcome, this is the Poco F5 Pro and I'll show you all the box accessories with which our device comes. So let's open first the box, and we got here the USB Type-C cable and let's check. So that's it, the Xiaomi, designed by Xiaomi charger with all of the specifications, the original charger. Also, let's open this paper box. Here we got the SIM eject tool, some paperwork like the quick start guide, the warranty card and safety information, and also we got here the protective case, the silicone one in clear color. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.